Hey, Wagwan fam. Hope everyone's doing really well. I'm going to take a little walk down the main sort of promenade for Marmaris. I'm going to take you guys along with me. So let's see Wagwan. You know the vibe. Hope everyone's doing well today. So I want to see what the prices are, what you can get for your money. Is it worthwhile? Do they have happy hours? What's the best pint? All the good stuff. So let's go. So that's Tigers Beach, Tigers Tavern. They do a breakfast. You've got a full English and a Scottish breakfast. I'm good, thank you. At the moment, I'm just for my channel. Just want to let the people at home know what you can get. So, what's your offers?
We have English or Scottish breakfast.
Yeah.
There is also still like luxury price. We haven't put the price up yet.
Yeah.
Also,
a bit of entertainment tonight. Lovely.
Elvis show on.
Yeah.
Freddie Mercury, Michael Jackson, Dirty Dancing. We have a big stage inside.
Yeah.
We are proper show bar, and also we are Beachfront as well.
Perfect. And what time does the entertainment start? Tigers Beach Club.
Yes.
Perfect.
Have a look inside. We have a
Yeah. Right, let's have a quick look inside them. Oh, wow. Okay, yeah. So if you come to Tigers Beach Bar, you're going to get a full stage and a proper show.
Also, there is a big screen TV also. It's TV above.
Ah,
If any
perfect.
football game start,
Yeah,
you can open up over there.
fantastic. Thank you so much.
Awesome.
Cheers.
What's your name?
Sabrina,
Yes.
and it's Wagwan Tours. Thank you. Cheers. Have a good day. So we've got the Troubadour. You got the boats. Again, a lot of these places have the beaches. So if you go to like a beach bar, most of them have a little section where you can rent out the sun lounges, umbrellas, and then you get your drinks. So yeah, really good. We watched a bit of entertainment last night. Really, really good. Loads of sparklers, lots of dancing. There was some singing. So yeah, it was really good. And we are in Marmaris, just walking down the main promenade. And seeing what's going on and what you can get for your money. Is it worth coming to Turkey? So this is Paka Bara. Hello. What's your offers? What's your cheapest drink?
Cheapest drinks.
Alcoholic.
Like Cola, Fanta.
And if you're going to have like a beer or a
Beer.
cocktail?
Yeah, we have all. If you want, I can bring menu. Can check.
Yeah? All right, let's see how much it is then. I know a lot of people save up holidays. They usually don't really look at the prices and stuff. But if you are on a budget and you're coming here and you want to know how much it is, it's always good to have an idea.
Yeah, all your meals is here.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Perfect.
Anything else you wonder?
Oh, no, that's it. I just wanted to let my viewers know.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a great day. Pandora. Yeah. So Pandora restaurant and pub. So usually this is the cheapest one, and that's their local. Cocktails, not bad priced. And then they also do food as well. Thank you. So this one here is Labita, Bonita. So again, food. Hiya. What do you guys do here? What's your entertainment?
Entertainment, food.
Yeah,
That's entertainment here.
perfect.
Here.
YouTuber, yeah.
You don't remember her?
I remember, yes. Ladies, welcome. Sunbed. Yeah.
And you do sunbeds,
Yeah.
everything. What's your offers? Do you do like 2-for-1 cocktails or any
This is the best
promotions?
restaurant in town, La Bonita.
Yeah,
Cocktail, buy one, get one additional cocktail. Spirit,
yeah.
black wine, good menu, good food, good people.
Do you want it on you? Hang on.
No, we work. We look after.
Look after the
Yeah.
guests, yeah. There you go. So come here, you'll get great service. Thank you so much, guys.
Our charge. And with some bed too.
And some beds too, right on the beach. Thank you. Yeah, so like I mentioned, a lot of the bars have beach space. This one looks quite cool. So got a little grass area. Not everyone loves sand. So you got Turkish bath, massage, sauna, steam room, and a facial treatment, 9 till 8. So last night we went to Salt and Pepper, which is the next one along. Really, really lovely venue. Entertainment was absolutely fantastic. This one looks really nice as well. A lot of them have like an upstairs too. So you got the views. So yeah, this is Salt and Pepper. For me personally, this is probably one of the cheapest. They do really good drink deals. Let's have a look. So you got a steak offer, any steak except T-bone, to special offer, entertainment. The dancing here is fantastic.
I am so white. Tell me how to win your heart. You know, mate, but I haven't got a clue. But let me start by saying I love you.
And he's a
I love
good
you.
comedian
I
as
never
well.
Your age, you know that. We are the best.
Still 25.
How was your night last night?
It was really good,
You
I
know,
was
like,
just saying.
Best people I met, you know.
No, the
Thank you. How was your
entertainment was
night last
fantastic.
night?
So good. The
It's good
entertainment,
to know
those
that.
guys, the
Tell our
workout they
YouTube people,
do.
you know, about
Yeah.
this place,
Aw.
right? I understand that, you know. That's why. The longer you have to wait for something, the more you will appreciate it when it finally arrives.
Yeah.
Am I right?
Yes.
It's,
Long-term
and also
gratification.
another one. The humans are angels with only one wing. They can only fly when they hold on to each other.
Ah.
One shoulder not enough. Two shoulders we fly together.
He doesn't want to be on
Like-
camera.
Love you, man. It's
Thank
come
you.
tonight, yeah?
Yeah, we'll come tonight.
Okay, yeah.
We'll see you later. Bye-bye. Thank you. So that's Salt and Pepper. Like I said, really fantastic evening yesterday, and the drink prices are really good. Such friendly staff and entertainment. So we got the Green Beach. Okay, little doggy. So this one's got more like little beds rather than just some beds, like the little kind of sheltered with curtains. Hi.
Best part.
How much is it for if you were gonna?
All free. You
All
just pay
free.
for your drinks.
Perfect.
As well.
There you go. So just buy your drinks and you can get to lounge there with a beautiful view.
Shower. Sorry,
Hang on, hang on.
we have special towel.
There you go. So even if you don't bring your beach towel, you're
Free.
prepared.
Yes, free.
Perfect. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. There you go. A lot of people don't bring beach towels because let's face it, we don't have the space. Especially if you're like me, you need to pack every outfit going. So good to know. So the Talkatone. There we go. Loads of different entertainment. So if you do like going out in the evening, it's all quite early as well. So if you still want to be tucked up in bed, Casper Beach. There we go. Oh, that's a good price. So 300 lira, 350. Not a bad price at all. We've got Adana Beach. Again, if I'm mispronouncing any of these, I really do apologise. And don't forget to subscribe, like, all that business. And if you're new to the channel, welcome to the Wagwan family. We go on adventures, let you know the prices, high or low, all the entertainment, nightlife, beaches, everything you need to know before going on your holiday. And if you have been here before and there's something you want us to check out, put in the comments. We always like recommendations. But yeah, so far this is our first time in Turkey. We're in Marmaris, and yeah, really enjoying it. Really enjoying it. Weather-wise, nice. Good temperature. Not sweltering. Ah, there we go. Thank you. Thank you very much. You too. So that's Portofino Beach. Let's have a little look around here. Little play area, so if you are with the family. Last night we had a few families out in the salt and pepper, which was really nice. If you do come with the kids, it seems very adaptable to all ages. And again, if you're coming out with your mates, absolutely fine. Do a full little circle of here. This will probably look really nice at night. Nice comfy seating. Right, let's keep going. So again, we're on the promenade in Marmaris, Turkey. So far, I have been living on tzatziki, one of my favourites. I hope I never get bored of it because I literally live on it. Hello. Yeah, one thing I've noticed, a lot of the guys here are pretty ripped. Must be a gym membership that they're all a part of. So you got the Beachfront Hotel. Name says it all, so I won't go too much into that. I'm guessing this is their one, yeah. Nice. Hello. Yeah, again, everyone's really friendly. I'm gonna hit the bazaars today. I'm desperate to get my hands on some genuine fakes. Again, comment below if you are a Turkish shopper. Marmaris Beach Hotel. Wow, this one looks really big. So what have they got? Full entertainment, all night long, happy hours. Oh, they've got breakdance, acrobatic, salsa, barman show, snake show. Oh, phone party, Freddie Mercury, Tina Turner, Elvis Presley, and Michael Jackson. There you go. Phone party looks pretty cool. There we go, a little bit of dancing and rehearsing, obviously for later. Tiffany Steak. Every night live performances. Right, let's have a look at the menu. What can you get at Tiffany's, eh? What's she giving you? Nice. Very nice. So left to me, it goes back up to the main sort of like high street. We're going to stick to the promenade and the beaches. Again, this is sort of beginning of season. So I'm guessing if you are coming later on in the summer, a lot of this will be heaving. Do comment below if you've been before or if you're coming this year.
Hi.
Hiya.
I know you.
YouTuber.
You don't shake my hand.
Hiya.
I know you work on YouTube.
Yes.
And my name's Shaggy. I'm manager in the
Shaggy, yeah.
I'm manager in the Cat Pop and the Moonlight.
Yeah.
We have lovely. We have amazing drink. We look after our customers.
Yes.
You
So you
also-
got buy
you
one,
wanna
get one
come
free
over here,
cocktails,
Yeah,
pint
buy
of
one,
cider,
As you find
XXXL beer, there we go.
And Moonlight over there. You can go Moonlight as well. Show you Moonlight as
Yes,
well.
we have Moonlight.
Okay. Right, he's going to give me a tour. So
Yes.
come on, Shaggy, show us what you got.
Yeah, my name's Shaggy. Actually, my real name, Erkan. People call me Shaggy. I never be with anyone. Shaggy don't shaggy anyone. Scooby-Doo.
It's Scooby-Doo. Or like the singer Shaggy. It wasn't me. There we go. So is this yours as well, Moonlight?
Yeah.
Okay, so
This
you've
is-
also got
this is
Moonlight.
my farm.
Yeah,
I manage this place. We have nice swimming pool as well.
yeah. And do you do entertainment and
We have full
shows?
entertainment. Also, see happy hour here.
Yeah.
Our price cheaper than all
The whole
around
of the promenade.
beachfront size.
There you go. So if you want to
If you
bargain,
didn't like your drink, you don't pay anything in the door. I give you guarantee for this,
yeah.
Mr. Shaggy.
Ah, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Guys, if you're coming to Marmaris, check out Moonlight and his establishment next door. Make sure you say hello to Shaggy. Thank you. Have a great day. There you go. So if you're on a budget, go to Moonlight. So this one's probably opening, Lvita. If not, that'll be its name. Rent a boat and parasailing. Looks a little bit choppy out there today. Weather's heating up, so I might do a pool video later and show you guys a bit of swimming. So what can you do? Exotic jet car. Fly fish, airstream, banana boat. Hello. There you go. All the water sports you need on a hot day. Ali Astra restaurant. Looks like a good fish restaurant with the logo. Let's have a look at the prices. There we go. Nice. Again, don't forget to subscribe, like if you do enjoy the content. It really does help when you put the little thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss a video, don't forget to ring the bell. And if you want to see any of our other, almost fell over them. Want to see any of our other adventures, check out the channel because we have been to lots of other holiday resorts, destinations, and we'll be continuing for the summer as well. Reef Beach. So yeah, nice promenade. Really nice promenade. So if you enjoy promenades where you've got the beach and you've got loads of restaurants and bars, this one's got a nice little stretch. Some places don't always have that. I must admit, I do prefer having the option of sitting in a bar in a restaurant or sun lounging by the beach. Ottoman. Ooh, that looks good. There you go. This one looks like it's open later. More of a restaurant. This one looks nice. So much choice. So again, lots to choose from. Little clothes shop. Marvi. Okay. Again, we're going to hit the bazaars later for some genuine fix. Sandwich shop, takeaway, coffee. When you're feeling shattered from your night before. There we go. ATM. Main high street. Just quickly venture on just to show you guys, because obviously we're walking the promenade. There you go. Really good bike routes. Really handy. And makes all the difference as well. Like that's what I love about Barcelona. When places really kind of think about tourists and people who don't just drive. It's such a lifesaver. So if you've got a scooter, rollerblading, bike, you've got your own separate lane, don't have to worry about the cars or being nervous or anything. Oh, nice little open structure beach here. So again, if you don't want to sit on the sun loungers, just want to bring a towel, beach blanket and sit with the fam. This looks like the part of the beach that you can do that on. Really nice. A little waffle ice cream. Right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed that today. Just wanted to show you what you can get on the promenade, all the beaches, the cocktails, the sun lounges, food, entertainment. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope you're all having a great day. Thanks. Bye.